Another day, another vlog, man. Today, normal. I don't see how they walking. Well, I do. I'm on the bike. But it's windy out here, squad. Hella windy out here. I'm about to kick back for probably like another 10-15 minutes till this calm down, because I got my bike swaying a little bit, and yeah, it's gonna turn Ghost into a ghost. Now I'm about to kick it up here for a minute real quick. I got something to say anyway. I don't know where I'm gonna park at. It's called Mountain View. Mountain View Crest Park. Ain't no kids should be up here. They all in school. Hella cold out here, bro. Can the wind push my bike? What's today, Friday? Monday, we back in full effect. I got y'all. Monday, we back in full effect. But, I got something to say, squad. So, y'all know how we talked on the last video when I was, and it's crazy because I was at the other part. We talked on the last video, or I talked to y'all. And I was kind of leading to what I got going on. You know what I'm saying? This time I took off, it's been 45 days. It's been 45 days. And I had a lot to think about, right? And I had a lot of ideas that I put into play. You know what I'm saying? Last night when I was on stream, and I urge y'all, bro, just for the simple fact, I know some of y'all there for my reactions, but a lot of y'all is real day ones, and y'all ain't be getting to see me like that. Y'all miss some of the videos. With that being said, my Twitch is Big DJ Ghost. I'm live every night between 6 and 7 o'clock, bro. The reason why I say that, because I wouldn't have to say this if I seen everybody over there, because I kind of talked about it, I kind of lead onto it. And so I started a new clothing line. It's called Resilient. If you go look on the site right now, they up there. You know what I'm saying? That's not what I'm talking about. So last night I had a dope idea, because you always see it with Amazon and these major companies, and when you see it with these major companies, they're giving people pennies, like 2%, 1%, 3%, right? So what I'm gonna do, and I'm not finna flood the market with it, I'm not gonna flood it, I'm gonna pick certain few, and like I said, the day ones on my Twitch, them know how I'm gonna pick them. I told them last night I was gonna do this, and I think Sunday we're gonna do it for real. So for my merch, I'm gonna have an affiliate program, right? Oh, my squad, because I'm a hand pick them. You can't just be like, oh, I want to be an affiliate for the merch, for the Ghost, woo, 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 woo. No, I'm a hand pick them. Y'all get 25%, right? 25%. I'm gonna start off with 10 people. Let me tell you why this dope. If you ain't had no bread throughout the month, I promise you, and like I keep telling y'all, no content creators is nothing without the people. McDonald's wouldn't have 1 billion served. Tesla wouldn't be popping. Look what you wearing, bro. Look at your TV. What you got, a Samsung? A Roku? They wouldn't be popping if you didn't buy it, and that goes the same for content creators, bro. I wouldn't be nothing without y'all, and I know that for a fact. I know that for a fact. With that being said, this affiliate program, y'all know how y'all watching my video, you know, they go, well, we get like 6 figures. The videos they do numbers, right? And this is why I said I know for a fact y'all finna get it. Y'all looked out for me for so many years. It's my turn to return the favor. I'll be like, hey, bro, go get the merch. Link in the description right now. Go get the merch. In that description, I'm going to put your affiliate link. In that description, I'm going to put your affiliate link. Instagram, Twitch. And mind you, it ain't going to be for no month. It ain't even going to be for 2 days. That one day, probably like once a week, twice a week. And hey, and understand this, it's like them other affiliates. Y'all better be up there promoting it too, bro. Don't just sit back right there like I'm finna get Ghost merch. I'm finna get this bread off of this. But anyway, my end. You know how many people gonna click that site and buy? You know how much bread you gonna get for the day? And I might do that for you like 4 or 5 times a month. Only my day ones, because I know who my day ones is. Only my day ones, because I know who my day ones is. I ain't seen no content creator do this, bro. I be on Twitch. All I see is content creators saying, thanks for the gifted, thanks for the gifted. They do not communicate with their chat, talk to their chat, Discord with their chat, call their chat. They don't do that, squad. And it's not like I do it on purpose. I think just because it's the person I am, bro. And I'm so grateful. And I'm so grateful on who y'all turned me in. You know what I'm saying? On what y'all made me out to be a good person. I'm a positive person, squad. And the bigger I get, the more I can push that into this world, bro. The more I can push into this world, bro. Oh, I left my bike on. Shit. Ooh. I left my bike on the on position, squad. Ducati Panigale V2. That V4 is too much of a beast. That V4 is too much of a beast. And to keep it real with y'all, the V2 is just enough. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you ain't racing. They also got the passenger seat. Put your homegirl on there. Put your kid on there. The V4s ain't got none of that, squad. And then it's less aggressive. I get to sit up on my bike and just chill, really. You know what I'm saying? V4 is like way too aggressive for me. You know, they're like, bro, what this fool doing? The homie over there playing chess by himself. I talk a lot of mess about Vegas sometimes, but they got some beautiful parks up here, bro. They do. They got some beautiful parks out here, man. But no, y'all know who y'all know who y'all is, man. And I keep saying day ones. I'm talking about my day twos too. But you day threes gotta wait. You day threes gotta wait, squad. I ain't ate nothing. I'm all the way on the other side of town. It's crispy out here. It's windy out here. Do y'all know last week New York was colder than the North Pole? I think I'm lying. Google it. Google it, bro. I'm gonna get at y'all on the next vlog, man. Y'all know I love y'all a million times over. I can't wait to get back in routine on Monday. And yeah, y'all stay right. Y'all eat right. Treat your body right. Treat your mind right. Read a little bit. And stay positive, squad. I'm going to see y'all next time. 100.